Welcome back to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see what Instagram Reels your friends have liked. Let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Make sure your Instagram app is updated because this is a newer feature and may not work on older versions. Once updated, go ahead and open the Instagram app. Now the first thing you need to do is go to your friend's profile. But here's something important. You can only see liked reels from people who follow you back. So if they're not following you, this feature won't work. To check this, tap on following and see if your name appears in their followers list. If they follow you back, you're good to go. Next, tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Now look at the top right corner and tap on the Friends option. Here, Instagram will show you reels that your friends have liked. You'll also see their profile icon on each reel, so you know exactly who liked it. You can tap on any reel and explore more, or swipe to see more content your friends have interacted with. And that's it. That's how you can easily see what reels your friends have liked on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tech tips on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.